Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to join lines. You can create new design and I will go to plan view. I will create lines with this line tools. You can create in vertical and another I will create in horizontal. Now if you want to join these two lines, you can use the coincidence constraint. Click at this icon, coincidence constraint. You can select from this point, endpoint, and then I will move into this endpoint. So to be connect between these two lines. So I will create line again, like from this point into here. Now to join, you can use the coincidence constraint. You can select this line into here, and then click again from this point into here. So that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to join lines. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.